guys, so you are driving down the street with your family and you come across a house that looks like vacant house. I mean, you drive for dollars, you know that this definitely is a vacant house. This is the kind of property that I'm looking for. So what do? The first thing you want to do is write down the address right away. Then once you get back to your office, do some research, go through public record, skip trace the owner for this house, and and add this address to your direct mail marketing list, so they start getting mail. And next thing, call them, try to get in touch with them over the phone. If you can't get through, text them. Maybe you will get a reply. People usually reply sooner to text message, so text them. And if you still don't get a reply, what you want to be doing is you want to go back at the house and just knock the door. I know it's a vacant house and probably nobody's gonna answer that, but what you can do is you can look around, peek in the windows and see and actually confirm that nobody's living there and it's a abandoned and vacant property. So you want to have your business cards with you when you are going in the neighborhood again, and heck, go down to the neighbor on the right and left side of the house and knock the door. Hand them your business cards and tell them that you buy houses and you renovate them, and you see a house right next to theirs. It looks like an abandoned or vacant house. So by any chance, do you happen to know who owns this property or how long this has been like this, collecting dust? You might be able to generate some sort of vital info that will help you, track down the owner of that vacant property. Hand them your business card. If they know somebody that might want to sell a house, as is, they might refer you. This is what you should be doing. I hope you found something valuable, and be able to use it practically, hopefully right away. So feel free to hit like button if you found something interesting, and share with anybody that might benefit from this. Thank you. Have a good day.